very profoundly. First, my friend, the Secretary of Samoan Affairs, Paramount Chief Tefele, for a different vision of the same folly that makes it a profound monument that we can all be proud of. So today, let us celebrate what's excellent about our culture, the essence of our oratory. And our oratory requires these things. First, the wisdom. Second, the thickness of the fue, because that represents how thick the wisdom is, if you didn't know that. Third, the house. And fourth, the Malay. To the legacy of our forefathers, to what we can do to preserve the culture and pass it on to our children. And today is all about the vision of people who are committed to an idea that represents the excellence about the community. So here we are. We have the Malay, we have the wisdom, we need the house. So as we break ground today, we are completing what is excellent about the Samoan culture and what it is that we will pass on to our children that have been born or not yet born, so that they can see and remind themselves that we did ask them to preserve this culture and pass it on.
Cây được cua. Yeah.
Emmanuel Nias, Emmanuel Foile, Suaino Lele, Tony Alofa Lele, Famanuel, Nefanua, Malay, Famanuel, Fale, La Fosia, Yafai Mala, a Fawatidi, Lata Maifa Samoa, Lanangana, Malana Saunoa, Manifetalai, or Leuta Alpot. Yeah, a 4 lift the light.
Sila aso le moka. E pega se polo lo pusi di mabate. Malo le sila la usianga le mai ku. Ma che vuol fare da un po' le moka. Ma mata dai. Poi ai la forma ai. La wa ko le ai. Wa la ma
ia manua foi le whatautenga o le malo, la ufionga i le alofio Samoa ma le tagaluega o tau Samoa ma whainga malo whaloto i whale. Ia whapea foi le pa'au mai o tātou malo whaapitoa i le nei asu, soifua.